Alright, this video is for Booyah 45828, Cadillac Kid, William, Richard, Jake, anybody else that's seeing this. I appreciate you guys trying to help me get to the bottom of what's going on with this motor. I'm going to try to keep it short and sweet. So here we go. I'll give you the setting. I'm right here on the interstate in Utah. I've got the bus up off the ground. I've got the transmission up off the ground. I don't know if you can see this or not. If that's, yeah, it's just the transmission separated. And what I'm gonna do today, my plan of attack is to head into town where they've already verified that they have an engine stethoscope in stock, and I'm gonna pick up an oil change, you know, the filter and the oil needed to change this, and get the stethoscope and come back and listen to it before I drain the oil and see if I can find where it's coming from, and then, you know, go ahead and drain the oil. I'm going to cut open the oil filter and inspect it for shavings. And anyway, with that said, let's go ahead and I'm going to fire it up. It's T444e with a 545 Allison transmission. Just let's see, how can I do this? So I'm going to start it. Ladder sounds like it's coming from right over here. Maybe, but I don't know. The engine is cold. We're going to go out and walk around it.